town, but it's extremely windy. Hello from super windy day here in Kotor Bay. We are passing with boat to Kotor and we are going to Croatia. Okay, today we are starting a new trip officially and it's super windy, it's a little cold actually. We are taking the ferry because the two ways to cross the Kotor Bay by the road or by the ferry. By the ferry is shorter and in this period of time don't have a lot of people and cars, so it's a better idea. And yeah, I will continue to CAVTAT today, which is the first town in Croatia, and I think we are going to have fun. It's a little bit cold, but it's winter. Okay, so I know that it will be and sound a little bit awkward to you to see coastline and to see travels in southern Albania, southern Croatia and Montenegro in this part of the year, but it's better because it's not crowded. It's a little bit cold actually, and not crowded, and you can have all the place for yourself. This is a panoramic view from this little rock over here that I'm going to show you right now. Something else is that the prices are much cheaper. I'm going to stay in a resort, a very good one, with very good price that I will show and continue in another video to show you the full experience there. So let's do this. Croatia, welcome us. Today is not the right one, it's not the best day, it's extremely windy in Croatia, also in Montenegro, it's all about Albania town. We have stopped in CAVTAT. It is a touristic town, but it's extremely windy. I don't know if you can hear me, but I will let subtitles down. It's really pretty charming actually. During summer season, it's terrible, it's really crowded here. I love this place. I would recommend the best time, it's probably September, October, because less crowded, but now it's don't have people. This is a very good thing, but actually have a lot of wind and it's a little bit cold. I love cold, it's much better than warm, because when I travel, you have seen me during 40 degrees in Balkan, it's extremely hot, but here it's a little bit windy. I will go to show you the views from CAVTAT. Basically, I'm the only tourist in CAVTAT today. That's pretty cool actually. Whew. Man, it's so strong. trying to get a spot with beautiful,
So special.
old antique in CAVTAT. We have a very big problem today with the wind, and I hope tomorrow will be better. We couldn't took up a drone today, but yeah, I'm going to the hotel, eat some dinner because it's like 4 p.m. now, and I'm starving. Impossible to do.
Look at the wind.
Hands down, Croatia coastline is one of the most beautiful in the world, that's for sure. In Balkan, I mean, it can come up to my first or second place, favorite place. I mean, I have my Albania, of course, and Croatia, they are my two number ones, let's say. And in the second place is Greece, let's say, in my mind. I love Greece, but I think Croatia is much more authentic. And I'm talking more about the land, not the island, the Greek island, because the Greek island are something different. And after that, I will choose Montenegro. I will choose Kosovo, Montenegro. I mean, it's so hard to choose in Balkan, but Croatian coastline, it's absolutely stunning. Okay, so just checked in the hotel. Outside it's pretty cold actually, but the room is really nice. I will give you details more tomorrow, just to show you the view from the balcony. So these are all balconies, are like big verandas, let's say, and this is the view. Up is the hotel, and there is the old town of Dubrovnik somewhere right there. This is the downside, the hotel, the pool. It's a bit cold. I mean, it's like 6 degrees, 7 degrees, but yeah, it's okay. I'll prefer this time. Let's go to a dinner, and I paid for not for dinner, I paid for the restaurant in total 70 euros per person at night. And yeah, let's go to a dinner now and see how the food is. Is it good or not? And let's explain more. Tomorrow I will give you more details because I will do a full tour of the hotel. There are like 3 different restaurants here, but we are going with a Turquoise restaurant because this was the one that was included, or better say this one. This is the view. Hello, how are you?
Thank you for your question. You're very kind.
1612.
1612. Give me a second. Be kind.
How are you?
Thank
Thank you. I have a seat, okay? These are the appetizers, cheeses, and some salads. And we have some grilled meat here. Try them and give you the review. It's really good. The meat are the specialty, like chicken, beef, also grilled as a cook, really good. I really like this food. And I'm not that I have tried, it's one of the best food that I have ever tried. Okay, let's finish and show you a little bit more of the hotel. So, let's finish. We finish the dinner and let's go explore a little bit more of the hotel. So, thank you, bye. Bye, brother. And yeah, the service was amazing. So, let's go and explore. Areas.